noodle soup. I got all these seasonings: cayenne pepper, Maggi cubes, garlic, ground black pepper, Mrs. Dash, ground paprika, bay leaves, and chicken bouillon and thyme. I already trying to boil it up in the pot. Then I'm gonna put the chicken in there. And I gotta cut the vegetables right now. I got carrots, onions, and celery. That's my veggies. I'm gonna put some potatoes in there too. But I'm gonna cook the potatoes, then put them in there. Some chopped up potatoes. Something different. Something different. Because I'm making it for a vegetarian as well, so that they won't have the chicken, they'll have the potatoes in there. Now, wash the vegetables. They're washed. Take these bottom parts off because they don't ever really, you don't want that part. And chop the top, the leaf parts off. You don't want them parts either. Just pull them off. It's easier. Let's speed the video up right here. Okay, let's cut these baby carrots. I just did baby carrots. I didn't feel like skinning and doing all that. You don't want to skin and do all that with the carrots. Just do baby carrots, rinse them off, cut them up. So much easier. Whether they said these are scientifically created carrots or not, I don't care. I did baby carrots. But if you want to do your carrots, you know, skin them and cut them. Do that. This is one medium-sized onion. I've already rinsed it off. Cut it in half, rinsed it off and cut it in half. Just need to take the skin off of it. Have to rinse my chicken off and throw it in the pot once I get these onions cut up. Because all the seasoning and goodies is in the pot. In there, I put 3 thighs. I don't know how many wings. A couple of wings, a couple of legs in here. No breasts. No breasts. Tater time, tater time. Rinse the potatoes with the skin on, and I rinse them again with the skin off. And then I chop them. Chop them how you want to chop them. I'll chop them my way. Trying to get little cubes. Not too little. About like that. That's good size. Good size, good size. I already put a bunch of these in here in the soup already. I thought I was filming and I wasn't. But yeah, the potatoes strained and rinsed. I told my nephew, I told y'all that every time I have him, I cook and he knows it. He likes it.
I be eating good over here.
See? That's what he said. He eating good. He eating good. We just got a Dutch Bros here in Lexington. I went there after I went to pick my nephew up. I put the soup on 3 on my gas stove, and it's fine. It's perfect now. It's done. I just got to boil these pasta, but yeah, I'm going to try this Dutch Bros. This is the mango smoothie from Dutch Bros. My nephew said his is good. It's really good. And this is the medium size Dutch Bros. It's new to Lexington. Only been here about a month. Been opened about a month. They built it. Used to be Sonic. They redid it. It's a Dutch Bros. Dutch Bros is usually in like California and stuff. Oh, excuse my hair. I had a hat on. I had a hat on, but yeah. I got the Great Value egg noodles. Y'all know wide egg noodles. This is noodles for my chicken noodle soup. Y'all know I'm always price friendly. I don't mind Great Value. Look, I got Great Value sugar over here. Great Value, I don't mind. I like to save. You put your little salt in your water for your pasta. Here's what you do when you make pasta. Put your little salt in there. Help it boil, help it cook good, cook evenly and stuff. Yeah, a little salt. All right. Pour this pasta on in. I don't know if I'm gonna use the whole bag. I'm gonna use, might as well use most of it. gonna use most of that. I think that's enough. So I used about 2/3 of the bag, left about 1/3 of this bag. This is a 16-ounce bag. Yeah. Put you about 2 or 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, or just chop your garlic up, maybe 2 cloves chopped up. 2 little cloves of garlic chopped up. I'm gonna put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. And when the chicken cooked good, it's basically done. But I mean, get the skin out if you don't want the skin. If you want the skin, keep it. I take my skin out. I don't want the skin. It doesn't take long for the egg noodles to be done. It took about 10 minutes. 15 might be too much because they're done. And y'all saw I started boiling it, started cooking it right when I put the noodles in, and they're done. Ready to put them on in the soup. About 10 minutes at the most. Watch your egg noodles. You don't want them to get overcooked. I'm just going to strain and rinse these and then go on and put them in the pot. And we're done. I removed most of the chicken and the chicken skin for the vegetarian version. It's going to be a little bit in there, but it's not like, she's not a strict vegetarian. So she'll either eat the little tiny pieces or pick them out. But we're going to go on and dump these noodles into the pot. Dump them in, dump them in. Yay! And the pot is off. I cut it off. It's done. Your chicken noodle soup is done. Add salt and pepper to taste. And you are finished. And you could let this sit overnight, maybe in the refrigerator, once it cools down in the refrigerator, to let the flavor seep in more. But I'm eating it today like this, and I'm giving it to the person that I made it for and keeping my portion. But I'm taking the bay leaves out. I put 2 in there. Got to make sure you get 2 out. Don't leave your bay leaves in there. I've had soups and stuff where people left the bay leaves. Take them out when you're done cooking. And this is the finished product. I got to put the other chicken back in, but I'm taking hers out first. But yeah, it still got a lot of chicken in it. But yeah, this is the finished product. Voila, my chicken noodle soup. Ooh, it's so good too. With my Dutch brothers, Dutch bros. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. With a smoothie on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a smoothie on the side. Let it rain. Y'all try this recipe. Y'all better let me know in the comments. I'm telling you, it's good, good, good. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Select all to get notifications I do new uploads. This is a lifestyle channel, so it's a lot of fashion, a lot of shopping, a lot of thrifting, and cooking, and DIYs. I do it all. Lifestyle. A lot of living life over 40. Thank you, and hey, welcome new subscribers. Hey, my hard ride or die subscribers, how y'all doing? Let me know in the comments. Y'all comment, and my new subscribers, comment. Y'all gonna make this chicken noodle soup. It's that time of year for it. It's that time of year. Deuces, be blessed to be a blessing, people. Bye.